Let me know. I'm just getting ready to go, guys. You understand me? Pre-birthday weekend, you know what I mean? I'm gonna give it something light, you know? Oh, snot. Hey, 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 hey. Blood fire. Yeah, outside it's kind of a bit of rainy weather today. Yeah. My poor Clarks. Let's cross the street. Yeah, so tonight is Afro Caribbean night at 2 rooms in Omotesando. It is crappy weather today, but who knows? We're gonna do our thing. Oh shit. What is the guy doing? Oh, this man see us at these taxis are crazy, bro. I nearly got run over a while ago.
Pour rester là, si tu pars, je t'attends. Everyone's never seen a party like this, I swear to God. This is what you call vibes, okay? Chop,
Happy birthday to me, and I started recording a while ago. Yes. Thank you, Julian. Last. Thank you. It's April 9th, but it's a pre-birthday weekend. We get drunk, and the next week we get drunk again, and then we keep drunk for the whole of April. Mommy, don't listen. Mommy. I will say this. It's been a rough night. Old age is getting to him, and we're out in this train station waiting to go to Roppongi after being in Omotesando. 2 rooms was a vibe. The people were lovely. When you do Caribbean and Afrobeat parties, like seriously, like what are we even doing, bro?